Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to your HubSpot website. This integration is essential if you want to track user behavior, manage marketing tags, and gather analytics data without constantly editing your website's code. Let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and head over to the Google Tag Manager website. You'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main GTM dashboard where all your tracking containers live. Now, if this is your first time using Google Tag Manager, you'll need to create a new container specifically for your website. A container is basically a workspace that holds all your tracking tags in one place. If you already have a container set up for your site, simply select it from your dashboard to continue. This step ensures you're working with the right tracking setup for your specific website. Next, look at the top right corner of your Google Tag Manager interface. You'll see your container ID displayed there. It looks something like GTM XXXXX. Go ahead and copy this ID as you'll need it shortly to connect GTM with HubSpot. This unique identifier is what links your tracking configuration to your actual website. With your container ID copied, open a new browser tab and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the main navigation bar. This is your settings menu. Click on it to access all your account configuration options. This is where HubSpot lets you manage integrations and customize how your website functions. In the left sidebar of the settings page, scroll down until you find an option called Content. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this drop-down, select Pages. This section controls the global settings for all your website pages, including where you can add custom code. Here's where the integration happens. You'll see fields where you can paste HTML code for your website's header and footer sections. Open Google Tag Manager again and locate the two snippets of code it provides, one for the header and one for the body. Copy the header code first and paste it into the appropriate field in HubSpot. Then do the same with the body code in the footer section. These code snippets enable Google Tag Manager to start tracking activity across your entire HubSpot website. Finally, click the Save button to apply these changes. Once saved, Google Tag Manager will be active on your HubSpot site, allowing you to manage all your tracking tags from one central location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.